Hey everyone! In today's lesson, we are going to study articles in English grammar. That has been one of the basic English grammar topics. But even after that, there has been a place for a lot of doubts, confusion, and errors among students. Probably articles in English grammar एक ऐसा टॉपिक है जिसकी आपने शायद सबसे ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस की होगी. फिर भी आर्टिकल्स का यूज़ करते समय कहीं ना कहीं कोई डाउट और एरर अपना स्थान बना लेते हैं. इस कॉमन एरर का क्या रीज़न है? वेल, लेट्स एक्सप्लोर. हमारी नेटिव लैंग्वेज हिंदी में डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द का स्पेसिफिक और हम कहें पर्टिकुलर ट्रांसलेशन, लिटरल ट्रांसलेशन नहीं है. दो कुछ वर्ड्स हैं लाइक तो, वही, these are to be said as the translation of the word the. These words are assumed to be the translation. We don't have the specific or literal translation for the definite article the in our native language. So we find that these little words, these tiny words can create problems long after every other aspect of English has been mastered. Furthermore, in English we have two indefinite articles, a and an. But in our native language Hindi, we use a single word for both of these. English के दोनों indefinite articles a और n के स्थान पर हिंदी में हम सिर्फ एक ही word का use करते हैं और वह है एक. So, this is the reason why the students get confused and why we should revise and practice articles in English grammar. In this lesson, we will take up the indefinite articles a and an. So, we will take a different approach. First, we will have some examples. Then, we will try to find out the rules out of these examples. Isn't it a good idea that before learning the rules, let's have a quick revision of the division of articles in English grammar? I believe you all know that there are two types of articles, the indefinite and the definite. Dear students, please pay your attention towards the pronunciation of the article the. I pronounced it both the ways, the and the. Which one is the correct pronunciation? The answer is both. Well, let's know how. जिस noun या word से पहले article the का प्रयोग किया गया है, उस word की opening sound यानी first sound यदि vowel sound है, in that case this article the is pronounced as the. और यदि उस word की first sound consonant sound है, in that case this article the is pronounced as the. Like I said, the indefinite article and the definite article. Indefinite word में first sound e sound है and that is a vowel sound. So I pronounced it as the indefinite. And the second word is definite. So in this word we have the first sound as consonant sound and that is the. That's why the pronunciation is the definite. I hope that you have understood कि कहाँ आपको article the को the pronounce करना है और कहाँ the. And also remember कि हम यहाँ sound की बात कर रहे हैं ना कि letter की. बहुत सारे words ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें first letter एक consonant letter है but उनका pronunciation करते समय उनकी first sound एक vowel sound होती है. For example, the word R and that is spelled H-O-U-R. The letter H is a consonant letter. यह एक consonant यानी व्यंजन है परंतु इसके pronunciation में एक vowel sound आ रही है and that is A. So have this clear concept of sound and letter. Well, यहाँ कुछ sentences दिए गए हैं. उन sentences में indefinite articles को आप underline कीजिए. Yes, I know उन्हें underline करने के लिए पहले आप इन्हें नोट डाउन कर लीजिए. So take your time. You can pause the video here. And just notice the indefinite articles used in these sentences. आर्टिकल ए का यूज किसी सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन के साथ किया जाता है और उसकी फर्स्ट लेटर की साउंड कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड हो. यहाँ आप नोटिस कीजिए कि हम साउंड की बात कर रहे हैं, ना कि लेटर की. मीन्स व्हेन यू प्रोनाउंस दैट वर्ड, जब आप उस वर्ड को प्रोनाउंस करें, एट दैट टाइम उसके प्रोनाउंसिएशन में हमें कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड अगर मिलती है, in that case we use the article a. आर्टिकल एन का यूज भी हम सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन के साथ करते हैं, परंतु इस कंडीशन में कि उस वर्ड की फर्स्ट साउंड वॉवल साउंड हो. यहाँ हम फिर से साउंड की बात कर रहे हैं, ना कि लेटर की. और एग्जाम्पल, I kept an apple in the basket. इस सेंटेंस में एप्पल एक सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन है और उसकी फर्स्ट साउंड वॉवल साउंड है, ए. That's why I have used the article an before this noun. Another example, she found a book. Here in this sentence, book is a countable singular noun, but the beginning sound of this word is consonant sound, b. So I have used the article a book. Dear students, always remember that the initial sound is important, not the spelling, not the letter. Let's take up some example. कुछ examples ऐसे होते हैं जो कि vowel letter से start होते हैं, लेकिन in their pronunciation we produce the consonant sounds. For example, a university, a European, a unit, a 1 rupee note, a uniform. और कुछ words ऐसे होते हैं जो कि consonant letter से start होते हैं, but their pronunciation it begins with a vowel sound. For example, an honor, an R, an MP, an SP. Well, एक और बात आपको यहाँ ध्यान रखनी चाहिए. Just imagine that there is a word and an adjective is defining that word. So, जो sound उस adjective के first letter की होगी, that will decide the choice between a or an. For example, a red apple, an amazing car. The words red and amazing are adjectives here, and we use the article before the adjective. That's why pay attention to the first or opening sound of that adjective, and it decides the choice between a or an. अर्थात यदि किसी वर्ड से पहले एडजेक्टिव का यूज़ किया गया है, तो उस एडजेक्टिव की ओपनिंग साउंड यानी फर्स्ट साउंड के अकॉर्डिंग ही हम आर्टिकल ए और एन का यूज़ करेंगे. यहाँ फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल अ रेड एप्पल में रेड एक एडजेक्टिव है, क्योंकि ये एप्पल की विशेषता बता रहा है, और इस वर्ड रेड की फर्स्ट साउंड है र, जो कि एक कॉन्सोनेंट यानी व्यंजन ध्वनि है. So we have used article a. Whereas in the second example, the adjective word is amazing, जो कि कार को describe कर रहा है, और इसकी first sound है a, that is a vowel sound. That's why the use of article an amazing car. Now, let me quickly tell you where we should use the article a or n. Number 1, when referring to a single object or a person. For example, an orange, a necklace. Second, before a noun mentioned for the first time. For example, I have never seen a snow leopard. The poor man has never tasted an apple. Next is before certain numbers like 100, a billion, an era. These articles a or n are also used in certain exclamatory expressions like what a nice book, what a pity. We use these articles in expression of frequency. For example, the doctor advised me to take these medicines once a week. Likewise, twice a day, once a month. The indefinite articles are also used before the names of professions, like he is a doctor, she is an engineer. Another use of these indefinite articles is before nationalities and religions. For example, Mary is an English woman. Rahul is a Hindu. Now let's know where we should not use these articles a or n. Before plural nouns, before uncountable nouns, before abstract nouns, and before names of meals. Like dinner starts at 8. We do not use any article before the word dinner until it is a special meal. If it's a special meal, then we use the article. For example, a tea for the wedding party. The indefinite articles are not used before proper nouns and before names of festivals and sports used in a general sense, like Christmas, football, cricket, etc. Well, these are the rules which we should follow while using the indefinite articles a और n. इस लेसन में हमने 3 important points discuss किए हैं. Number 1, the indefinite articles a or n, how to choose one of these. And second, where to use these articles a or n. And third, where we should not use these indefinite articles. So bye for now. See you in the next lesson. Thank you for joining. Happy learning.